Today, we're diving into a common problem that many developers face when working with Jooq and Maven. The problem occurs when attempting to generate Jooq classes using specific configurations in the pom.xml file. Despite following the Getting Started guide, the jooq-codegen-maven module throws an error, stating that the generator configuration is not set up correctly. This can be quite frustrating for anyone trying to streamline their code generation process. The solution to this problem lies in a specific Maven command that targets the execution ID of the jooq-codegen plugin. By running the command mvn jooq-codegen generate MIID, we can ensure that the jooq-codegen-maven module's generator configuration is properly executed. This command specifies the exact execution ID needed to generate the Jooq classes successfully. In addition to the command, the pom.xml file needs to be configured with the correct plugin and execution settings. By including the execution ID, phase, goals, and configuration within the plugin, Maven can execute the code generation process seamlessly. This step is crucial in ensuring that the Jooq classes are generated without any errors. Furthermore, an alternative approach involves using a special default CLI execution ID within the plugin configuration. This simplifies the process, allowing developers to run mvn jooq-codegen generate directly without specifying the execution ID each time. By implementing these changes in the pom.xml file, developers can overcome the configuration issues and generate Jooq classes effortlessly. In summary, troubleshooting Jooq code generation in Maven can be a bit tricky, but with the right command and configuration settings, you can overcome any errors that come your way. So, next time you're facing issues with Jooq classes, remember to target the correct execution ID and configure the plugin settings accordingly. Happy coding, and may your Jooq classes generate flawlessly. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and leave a witty comment below. Until next time, happy coding.